And temperatures have been quite on the swing today. We do have cold front that's moving through the nation, dropping our temperatures by about 60 degrees in some areas, especially along the plains. The thing areas in Kansas and Nebraska were in the 70s yesterday, now only in the teens. So a big temperature difference. And here in northern Michigan, we're already seeing the impacts of that cold front passing through, already seeing a temperature change of only about 10 to 15 degrees, but it's still enough to make it feel much colder than it has been these past few days. Morning here in downtown Sault Ste. Marie, the snow is actually started to pick up. It's snowing a lot harder right now. Seeing lots of plows going by on the roads today, helping to clear the way because it is very hazardous for travel. There's lots of slick spots on the roads due to some freezing rain we saw the past few days, and helping make those roads extra slick. And with blowing snow, it's helping to really limit visibility. I know I had to drive around 10 miles per hour just getting into Sault Ste. Marie this morning. It's going to be an absolutely beautiful day here in Iowa. You can see already we have clear blue skies and not a cloud in the sky. So it's definitely going to be a great day to get out and enjoy. You'll see lots of that sunshine throughout the day today. And so very warm evening. These will be pretty close to your overnight lows for tonight due to these warm winds out of the south, helping to push in all that warm air out ahead of that warm front. By tomorrow, though, we are going to see a shift in those winds. They'll be coming mainly out of the west, right in front of a cold front that is going to be approaching. So we have one more day of warm weather before that cold front moves through Sunday evening, dropping our temperatures back into the teens. Here's a look at stormcast, though, staying pretty quiet throughout the night tonight. The greatest issue being dense fog developing on top of that snowpack. It's going to be a stormy night across Iowa tonight. You can see we do have some storms already making its way into the northwestern counties of Iowa, and especially Ida and Cherokee County are under a severe weather warning. Being off to a snowy and chilly start for some, we do have some snow showers that are passing through northern Michigan. The heaviest towards Alpena this morning. They've seen a few inches of accumulation. We'll continue to see a chance for some snow showers across the lower and upper peninsulas.
Well, I know Colleen and I were both the whole time saying, wow, that's amazing. I don't know what any of those words mean.
I don't know. Like, I think I would be stumped if I had to spell those because I can't even pronounce those words.
I couldn't either, so hats off to the co-champions.
Yeah.
From team meteorologist Colleen Mehlberg joins us live with a look at how travel conditions are looking today.
Good morning, Colleen.
Good morning, Brenda and Melissa. Here at the Cherry Capital Airport in Traverse City on the busiest travel day of the year, the day before Thanksgiving. But the good news is the weather looks like it's actually going to be cooperating all across the airports from Detroit, Chicago, Minneapolis, even Grand Rapids. Looks like we're just seeing cloudy skies this morning, just a chance of a few snow showers in Minneapolis. We're not seeing any reports of delays, so that is some good news for travel goers today. So for tonight's storms, these are the main threats. Wind being the primary concern of gusts up to 70 to 80 miles per hour. This is the strength of about an EF0 tornado, so this is definitely powerful enough to knock down trees and even a few power lines. So if you do have any loose items, I suggest picking them up before you go to bed tonight because they will get blown around. Flash flooding is also a concern, especially in the northwestern counties, and also some large hail. Some areas have already seen quarter-sized hail. The more clouds will build in by Wednesday as another quick cold front will pass through, dropping our temperatures just slightly once again and bring another round of some snow showers. So here's a look at that 7-day forecast, though. Cold. And welcome back, everyone. If you stepped outside this morning, maybe you're a little shocked for the temperatures as much as I was. It's a little cool out there this morning. And this is a really wet snow that is falling. You can see a lovely snowball that I made. So for all the little kids coming home from school today, it may be a good day to build those snowmen or even go sledding. Could see a few afternoon showers, maybe a few thunderstorms as well. Scattered across much of central Iowa, Des Moines, you could see a chance of a few isolated sprinkles. Definitely want to have an umbrella with you just in case you're going to be outside and hit one of those hit or miss showers this afternoon. But by early tomorrow morning, especially around 6 a.m., we will begin to see the advancement of this cold front make its way through the state, especially in southwestern Iowa. You'll begin to see some of these thunderstorms start to make its way through. Also south of Des Moines.
Gorgeous out there, and ABC 5 meteorologist Colleen Mehlberg is in with a check on what's really happening, but really nice.
Oh, it is so nice out there. When I stepped outside, I didn't know if I wanted to come back in. It was absolutely gorgeous out, and temperatures right now are rising quite quickly.
20 miles an hour, though, Colleen. I mean, you'd have to almost idle your car to chase him.
You would. That's like going in neutral almost. And I can imagine what those cops were thinking of chasing a tractor for however long.
It had to get pretty tedious at some point. Like, well, when's this going to end? But
so here's where that cold front currently is. Just seeing a few slight rain showers moving across the area with this front. Also, areas of freezing drizzle has been present throughout the day today. And now that those temperatures are falling below freezing, it could create some very slick or icy spots on the roadways. So just be very careful if you have plans to be out on the roads tonight or into tomorrow morning, as the slick spots will continue to be in place. And we'll the school year is kind of coming down to a close. There aren't many school days left, and I'm sure all the kids are anxiously counting down those days until the summer break begins. But until then, still to wake up early and head out to school. So the ride in this morning, very warm and also a little bit sticky out there. 68 to 71 degrees are the temperatures you can expect as you head out the door, and temperatures may be reaching up into the 80s. So for tonight, expect partly cloudy skies, a low near 58. It will be quiet and dry, with light winds out of the east at 5 to 10. 74 is the expected high for tomorrow. It will be mostly cloudy with those scattered showers and thunderstorms mainly to the west of I-35, and winds be out of northeast at 7 to 14 miles per hour. So tomorrow may be a little hit or miss with some spotty showers, but by Tuesday and Wednesday we'll be drying out and warming up into those 80s on Thursday and Friday. So take a look at the weather headlines for this weekend. Fantastic Friday is the theme for today. It is going to be a nice one, but by tomorrow we could see kind of a 50-50 weekend with some hit and miss rain showers throughout the day on Saturday, tapering into Sunday. And next week looks to be warm, humid, and even a little bit stormy. We'll see temperatures climb back up in the 80s, meaning a recipe for maybe some stronger storms. Radar right now, we have mainly the threat of some heavy rain. That's the main concern for this evening, and also some flash flooding, especially around the Atlantic into the Creston area. They are seeing some of that heavier rain showers right now, and it'll be absolutely beautiful temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. It's all thanks to this high pressure system that's off to our east. It's going to be in control today, allowing for lots of sunshine, some light winds, and also some very clear conditions. So it is going to be a beautiful day. You can see on SkyCam right now that the sun is just starting to peak up. We also have a full moon, so it is Friday the 13th. We won't really have any ominous weather today because it will be beautiful. And right now the temperature is around 54 degrees, so kind of a cool start, but it will be warming up nicely. So stormcast showing these storms as they progress through. You see this cold front starting to march through around 11 o'clock tonight, bringing some very gusty winds, some large hail, and also the possibility of an isolated tornado. Around 3 a.m. we'll start to see more of these showers and thunderstorms move through the central portion of the state, anywhere from Fort Dodge to the Atlantic area. And through the morning hours, Des Moines will see some rain, so you could wake up to some rumbles of thunder. But by the morning, especially before noon, these storms will be clearing out. Like clear conditions through this morning. It will remain this way throughout much of the day today. We may see a few high passing clouds throughout this afternoon, but no rain is expected in the forecast for this afternoon, so definitely get outside and enjoy it. Maybe go for a bike ride or a run, because today is going to be perfect for it. Look at these temperatures, though, across the nation. Currently close to 80 degrees in Dallas, all the way up to 35 degrees in Sault Ste. Marie. That is a big temperature spread. That is all due to a warm front that's currently passing through the nation. It's located just north of Chicago, North Bend, into the Kalamazoo area in Michigan. It's going to be tracking its way north throughout the night tonight, keeping our temperatures above freezing. So that means there is going to be an issue of dense fog developing for some areas overnight tonight. So just be very careful. Video plans to be out on the roadways, especially tonight and tomorrow, as those temperatures are expected to be at that freezing point.